that every platform is different. They're constantly adding new tools and ways to target consumers, so you have to be testing all the time. The other thing is, if you've ever done SEO, the algorithms change and then your ranking falls and you have to go back in. And one way I think about that is just the relationship with the customer. So the reviews and what people are saying and responding to those reviews becomes a critical part of maintaining that relationship on those platforms and what it means for those operational metrics, including the ratings. So that would be one other component you can't forget.
So you can't just set it and forget it.
No.
No, it's too bad. So we talk a lot in our book about a concept called digital hospitality, which is to say that just because a consumer is ordering through a different channel doesn't mean they don't have the same expectations from a restaurant in terms of the quality of the food, in terms of the service that's offered, in terms of remedying a problem that might happen if it comes up. And I'm curious, Jose, how do you guys think about using your technology to help your customers use data effectively to create that digital hospitality?
Yeah, it's a great question because, as all we know, in the third-party delivery platforms, you don't have full control over the data, you have full access to your customer, but you get signals. You get signals of the experience that they're getting, and the way that we work with our restaurant partners is, can we unify all those signals to present a photo of what should you focus on next? How can you use the data to then decide how to improve your holistic experience? Some examples, which actually touch on what Andrew was mentioning, is your store open at the right time in the right place? Because you work so hard to get placement, to market your products, to cook your food. Are viewers coming to your door and you're closed? That's a missed opportunity from an hospitality perspective. They didn't even get a chance to try it out. Or, for instance, are you sending orders out with error rates, like with missing items? Your error rates go up, your ratings go down, and it starts to affect your entire experience. So while you cannot directly interact with the customer as on a primary channel, you can get those signals at scale across all the delivery platforms and start to change your operations to make